Hey everybody, getting ready to start recording a video here at the Iowa 80 World's Largest Truck Stop. Want to make sure and remind you, because I always forget, to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, share my content, get me out there so other people can see my videos. I appreciate it. Now we'll get going. Good morning everybody, or good evening, good afternoon, or good night. Morning for me. I finally got on a different run. Actually headed out to Denver. When I get a chance to come through, I like to stop in when I do come through here. I mean, it's supposed to be the world's biggest. Make sure I got everything. Got my key. You can see, got the truck museum. Spin this around. We got in last night. I don't know if you can see the sign. It's a little shaky. They got the big old sign up there. Truck stop over, I think it's right at 900 parking spots. They got their regular gas. They got spots for motorhomes. We got their showroom here. You can see that it's actually a pretty yellow Peterbilt. I'm not a big fan of yellow vehicles, but that's a good looking truck. I'm going to try to get through it as quickly as I can so you guys can see kind of what goes into it. Their fuel islands are way over there. They even got a dang water tower. Here's the sign. I parked a little bit in the back, so it's taking me a couple minutes here to walk up to the front. And now got trailers inside. Super truck showroom. Keep going. See if they yell at me for filming inside. The mural done all on the side of that. They got all their chrome, truck supplies. I just can't understand how anybody wants to try this product with not running out of. If you need mats, they got stacks. I mean, they got LEDs, covers, glues, tapes. Lots and lots and lots and lots. The thing is that makes it the biggest. I mean, the inside is large. This is only one section. This is the retail section. But they have, I don't remember what's all on it. We saw, you can look through and see the museum out there still. I didn't get a chance to go through, I don't remember, but they have a lot of different things. Got their tail lights. Steering wheels, shifter knobs. I actually need to get some new caps. Yeah. Right here. Duck. Get Maybe a gorilla? You got chrome gorillas. You got donkeys. That's probably what I need. Look at the piggies. I'm not a big fan of the ones with those see-through wings like that, but hey, each their own. Keep digging. Just more retail space. They got a restaurant back here, and then you get up here, they have a couple more little retail spots. We got a truck inside up here, but there's kind of the food court area. Once I get over here to get my coffee, I'm going to shut it down. I think it's exit 284 off I-80. You got the truck here. The old Dodge Power Wagon. I think it's stuck. I'm gonna have trouble getting that out. Just the kind of gas station area. Looks like got a bunch of stuff. Movies, candies, books, little stuffed animals, cat food. Massive strips of beef jerky. I think it's all that much food, but 3 ounces. Excuse me. The wagon. When you ever get a chance, it is pretty neat to come out here and see all this stuff. In the 12 years I've been driving, I haven't even gotten a chance to go into the museum or anything. Yeah, that's a nice little truck. Old Ford flatbed. Oh, and they got a little arcade here too. You see it off in the end. Like I said, I like to stop in here when I come through. Not stop in the arcade, but it's always kind of cool to see. Even if you get to see it once or twice a year, it's kind of fun. They got little video games. The world's largest Pac-Man. That I might have to take a run at, but I'm actually getting coffee and I'm going to be out of here. It's been a while since I made a video, posted it online. I apologize. I've just been doing the same old Kansas City run. And that finally got shut down for a couple weeks because of the chip shortage. So it's down, and I jumped on a load going over to Denver, and I wanted to stop here and kind of show you guys one of the neater things I've gotten to see on the road. A man-built thing, anyway. So that's the world's largest truck stop, at least a portion of it, the inside portion. And I'm gonna head off and get some coffee. So, appreciate you watching the video. Everybody be safe. Hey everybody, just wanted to make a quick outro here. That was my trip into the world's largest truck stop, the Iowa 80. You ever get a chance, you got a day or two off, even a couple hours, to stop in and check it out. It's really neat to see. You know, they got a lot of places in there you can eat. A lot of stuff you could buy for your truck if you need it. So, like I said, I like to stop through there every once in a while. I thought someone knocked on the door. But that was it. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and stay safe. Maybe I'll see you on the road. Bye.